Hi guys, welcome to AJ Technologies. Myself Amma. Today I am going to show you how to create that simple power automat. For this, you can navigate to that make.powerautomat.com and log in with your account. Okay. If you don't have the account, please call me. I will provide that sample account. Okay. In the left hand side, just go to that my flows. Okay, if you have created any flows, it will show, but currently there are no flows. It's a new environment. We can create the new flow. You can create from here, or else here we can create it. So here we can create that flows like template or Visio template, build your own from blank. So these many flows are there. So in future sessions we are going to learn about that, what is the differences between. Okay, first we will see that instant cloud flow. Take this one and provide the name. Suppose here that a requirement is that we can communicate with Power Automat with Microsoft Teams. Okay, here you can give that name is the my first flow with Teams. Okay, and it's a manually trigger. You can select that trigger. Here so many triggers are there. You can choose which trigger you want to go to create a power automat. So by first time it's a very simple flow. I'm selecting that manually trigger a flow. If you have that knowledge on the power apps, then you can select the power apps or flow copilot for the AI related one. But first session we can flow with that basic thing. Okay, create and manually trigger flow is there, and it look like a flowchart thing. Then here we are going to adding the action by clicking the plus icon. Just click on this one, add an action. It is showing the add an action. We click that add the action. In the left hand side, actions are existing actions is there. These are the available actions. Okay, and our requirement, as I told, we need to connect with that Microsoft Teams. Suppose if you want to go with that older version, then you can switch into that new design to older version. Who are having the past experience with that older version, then you can navigate it, but currently it's a new version. So I'm selecting the Teams. So in Teams, go to that see more and see, I'm selecting the this action post message in chat or channel. So select this one, and it is asking for that post as. How we can post as? Here it is the virtual agent or user. First you can select the Flowbot as it is and post into chat with Flowbot. Okay, channel means in Teams having the number of channels are there. We can post them within the channel or group chat. We can go with that group chat like that. First we will go with the Flowbot. You can select it, and it is asking for the who is the recipient. Okay, and I'm giving the my name is a recipient. Okay, this is my email ID, and that add message. Hi Amar. Amar will teach 365 F&O technical and power automat. Okay, this message from power automat. Okay, this is the my first message. You can add your signature. Regards Amar. You can add your number also. Okay, fine. Just save this one. After saving, if your flow having the any errors, here you can check it. Okay, here the flow checker is there. The flow checker, when you click on the flow checker, and it is showing the no errors, that means your flow have free, there is error free. Just close this one. We can test this flow. Click on the test button here. After testing, it is asking for that manually or automatically. So I will tell the difference. Manually means we can first time we can click on the manually, okay, manual, and it is asking for that sign into the Teams. Okay, first we need to provide that authentication. This Power Automate and Teams should be authenticated, and it is asking with that sign in. If it is showing the green mark, see this flows uses the following app, a green check means you are ready to go. Just click continue. And asking for the run flow means authentication is I already provided. Suppose sometimes you are working with that very first time, it will give that one more pop-up, like one pop-up will come. Here you can provide that your username and password and authenticate. Okay, but I already did the authenticate, and click run flow, and your flow run successfully started to monitor. See, my flow is successfully started, and I got that Teams notification workflows. We'll see. First we'll close this one. Done. And your flow is successfully triggered or not. All our green marks is there. So it's a successfully completed. Then go to that your team chart and see this message from Power Automate. Amar will teach D365 Framework Technical and Power Automate. So this is the my signature also is coming. Like this we can test with that Power Automate. Very simple thing. And I told manually and automatic, right? Just go to that your flow with the back and click on edit. Again now this time I'm checking into that again test, and here you can see the manually automatically. In the first time automatically is disabled, but now it is enabled, correct? So why it is enabled? Because we already run one time. When you click on this one, it is showing that checkbox recently. You already triggered this one recently. Can I run the same flow? Suppose if you did any changes, then this recent flow it will not take it. Then again we need to go with that changes flow with the manually. Then we can identify that what is the changes is happened. Okay, that is the difference with the manually and automatically. So this is about that the first session of the Power Automate, guys. If you like this one, please subscribe and share these videos to your friends and your colleagues as well. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and we'll come to that next video tomorrow.